Hi, Linda. Happy birthday. My name is Patrick. I'm the Deputy Magistrate of Jianghua County. I'd like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to you for your contributions to Jianghua. I know you did a lot of Sky Bee sessions with our students. They all enjoy talking to you. Your selfless work has motivated them to learn more about other cultures and languages. Thank you so much and have a great day. Happy birthday. Thank you.